We will buy the van.
Look, oh.
Pang farm. Wow.
It's a dining
Na massage
room.
chair na kami.
This is a massage chair.
It's a dining room table.
You like this one?
Yes.
Huh? For you? How many do you want?
One.
Wow, nice. The BYD van is very nice. Muna siya ang katuyatan nga tag 3.1 million. And kani siya na chair is a massage chair.
Hindi ko mo, hindi.
And pili ka maghigda. Go. Lie down. Massage chair at the same time, pili siya i-recline, pili ka matulog. And this is Madam's future car for her school. Go, higda. Lie down. Lie down there in your car.
But this is it a car or a van?
A van, yeah.
That's a car.
It's a car, but it's a van. It's a big car. You like this one?
Oh.
Why is it not a car or a van?
Hindi rin may open ang,
It's a
hindi
van.
may open ang door.
Wow. Nice.